shocking case has emerged from Tumakuru district, where the death of a 50-year-old man has come under suspicion after his wife remarried just days after his demise, prompting police to recover the buried body nearly 3 weeks later. The incident occurred in Dasarahalli village of Hebbur in Tumakuru taluk. The deceased Paramesh had died on January 31st. At the time, his death was attributed to a heart attack and his last rituals were performed on the same day. However, within days of Paramesh's death, his wife's action raised suspicion among his relatives. On February 19th, just 19 days after his death, she reportedly entered into another marriage. This development deeply disturbed the deceased family, particularly his sister, who began to suspect that Paramesh's death may not have been natural. Following these doubts, Paramesh's sister lodged a formal complaint at the Hebbur police station, demanding a detailed investigation into the circumstances surrounding her brother's death. In her complaint, the sister alleged that there were suspicious signs on Paramesh's body at the time of death. She mentioned an injury near his nose, raising doubts about the claim that he had died of a heart attack. Acting on the complaint, the police, in the presence of Tahsildar Rajeshwari, recovered from the burial site Paramesh's body 23 days after his burial. The grave reopening was carried out due to the suspicious nature of the death, and the body was sent for a post-mortem examination. Police officials have stated that the post-mortem report is expected within a week. The exact cause of Paramesh's death will be determined based on the findings of the forensic examination, after which further action will be taken. For now, the case has sent shockwaves through the region, with investigators working to determine whether Paramesh's death was a natural one or the result of a planned murder.